In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to test a Shopify credit card form with UIlicious. UIlicious is an online tool for testing a website across browsers. Over here, we have the SPA Singapore shop, and today we are going to buy a blue large t-shirt. Here's the checkout page, and we are already at the last step before finalizing our order, which is to fill in the credit card for the payment method. And over here, we already have implemented the test to select the t-shirt color, size, add it to the cart, view the cart, check out, filling in the shipping address, and then we are at the payment step currently to add the credit card information. Okay, so let's take a look at the Shopify checkout page over here and inspect the credit card form. So it's not exactly straightforward to test the credit card form on the Shopify checkout page because you cannot use the iFill command directly to fill in the card number field, the cardholder name field. And the reason for that is because each of these credit card fields are nested within an individual iframe. So for this card number field, it is nested in an iframe called with the title field container for card number. And iframes technically are considered separate windows on their own, so they have their own security zone, and we need to switch into an iframe using the UI.context command first in order to target the anything inside, including the input field that we want to fill in. So let's go ahead and try testing the input fields for the credit card form. So we'll start with the UI.context command, and we are going to target the iframe where the title attribute is equal to this field container for credit card number. Okay, and then within this context, we want to execute a set of commands, and this would simply be filling in our card number with a example card number. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so I'm gonna copy from my notepad over here the rest of the commands for filling in the individual fields like the name on the card, the expiration date, the security code, and finally click on the pay now button to submit the order. So let's run this test and check it out. Okay, so now we have the completed test, and you can see it's filling in the card number, it's filling in the name on the card, it's filling in the expiration date, the security code, and finally clicks on the pay now button. Obviously, this is a fake card, that's why you will see an error that says the card is declined. And that's all. That's how you test the credit card page on the Shopify checkout form.